it's going to be a time for you to sing.
The Carol of Lights at Whiteside Elementary is a warrior tradition. Along with lighting their tree, students enjoy a performance by the honor choir, and this year, students from Irons Middle School joined in the fun. The Lubbock Lions Club hosted their annual drug awareness poster contest. It's open to all Lubbock students, and this year marked their 40th awards ceremony. Many Lubbock ISD students took part, and Reed Butler from Parsons Elementary earned the grand prize. Butler now advances to an area-wide contest. The Talkington School for Young Women Leaders took part in the Young Women's Preparatory Network STEAM Challenge. Students designed around a prompt to fix a problem that could affect future generations.
Our project was creating an app that improves people's mental health by giving them volunteer opportunities aligned to their interests.
So it asks you what you want to do, what makes you happy, what lets you de-stress, and based on that, it gives you a service project that is tailored just for you.
Middle school students from across Lubbock ISD came together for the annual STEM Challenge at the Science Spectrum. It's the 7th year for this competition, and students say it's a lot of fun.
Working with other schools, because you get to meet new people.
Here, everyone can challenge each other.
They're really nice, and they really want to make you learn.
Lubbock High School hosted their open house. The event included booths and demonstrations from the Navy Junior ROTC, Ballet Folklorico, Mariachi, AP Capstone, robotics, orchestra, band, choir, dance, all the sports, and many more. Mackenzie Middle School hosted AVID Family Night. Their event included a college and career fair, giving students and families a chance to learn all about the variety of opportunities available in high school and beyond. 4th grade students from across Lubbock ISD enjoyed a special performance of the Nutcracker performed by Ballet Lubbock.
This specifically for them, it's short enough for their attention span to be there. There's a Q&A session so they can ask our artistic director questions, and it's just a really cool opportunity to be in the hall.
And the Monterey High School Orchestra put on a holiday concert featuring some fun selections.
This year, I have to say that my favorite is Christmas Bits and Pieces, because it doesn't tell you what songs are in there, but while you're playing it, you know which songs they are.
Now you're in the loop with Lubbock ISD.